How's it going, bros? My name is Aaron. Welcome back to Bro Talk, a weekly episode where I respond to some of your questions and comments. I've got a number of questions and comments over the past week about Sony headphones and earbuds, so I'm gonna address those first. This question is from Steve Foss. Had my heart set on the XM4s, but I'm tempted to get the Bose 700s due to the Bluetooth 5.0. I hate audio latency. Would anyone recommend them? Well, Steve, Bluetooth 5.0 will have no impact on audio latency at all. So what factors do have an impact on audio to video latency? And this is something that I've discovered over a long period of time. The codec your headphones uses, very important. Is it SBC, AAC or aptX codec? And there are other questions like, how was your Bluetooth system on chip implemented in the headphones? What device are you using? Android, iOS? Because there is a difference in terms of the latent audio to video latency between these two, let's just call it religions. And if you're using an Android device, is your device using the Qualcomm Snapdragon 800 series processor, or is it the more affordable processor, the 600 series? Even the app that you're using matters. Are you watching videos on YouTube using the YouTube app? If so, then most likely you won't get any, if not a lot, of audio to video latency, because the YouTube app has this algorithm which delays the video so that it matches better with the audio, and hence you won't really get any lag. But if you are playing real-time content like games, for instance, then this is where you will get most of the lag, which is why on this channel my audio to video latency tests usually involve playing a video game rather than playing a video. It's just more accurate that way. Okay, back to your question. If you're considering getting the Bose 700 headphones, most likely you won't be getting a lot of audio to video latency, or if you're watching a video, none at all, because after all, these are not truly wireless earbuds that require multiple wireless connections. It's just one wireless connection to your phone. So I think you'll be pretty fine. Either the XM3 headphones, or the Bose 700 headphones will do. Fire Breather 719, commenting on my Sony XM3 earbuds final impressions video, which you can watch over here if you're interested. Can these headphones handle a hot, sweaty day? Yes, they can. They can certainly perform quite well even under the hot sun, but since they do not have stability fins or ear tips that plug into your ear canal, you won't be able to get much stability from them if your ears are very sweaty. So once in a while, take the earbuds out, dry the earbuds, dry your ears before putting them back in to ensure maximum stability from these earbuds. Next comment, Andre R, commenting about the Sony XM3 headphones, the full-sized noise cancelling ones. But this could also apply to any headphones really. When using cable and noise cancelling, I can hear a buzz sound all the time. Not when using Bluetooth. I want to use with cable because I make music with an external sound card. Now, what you're experiencing, Andre, is called electromagnetic interference, or EMI. This is usually the result of undesirable electromagnetic waves from common home appliances like microwave ovens, refrigerators, LED lights, and even your home Wi-Fi router, bleeding into your power supply network, your power grid. And if your audio system is not equipped with any countermeasures, like say a clean power supply brick, then you will hear this buzzing sound, which is really EMI contaminating your power grid. Nothing to do with the headphones. This question is from Easy Lucario. Aaron wanted to know if the WF-1000 XM3 falls easily from the ear when running or moving the ear. I wanted to use them for running because I think no phone beats him. I'm Brazilian and I don't speak English. Sorry if the question is kind of bad, I'm using Google Translator. No worries. So in my opinion, the WF-1000XM3 is not very suitable for like running, playing sports like basketball, tennis, maybe golf. Yeah, for golf, 1000XM3 earbuds are great, but for high intensity activities, they don't have stability fins, nor do they have ear tips that plug into your ear canal. So there's very little friction to keep them in place if you're sweating. So I wouldn't really recommend them. Maybe something like the Bose SoundSport 3 or the Jaybird Vista perhaps. Those earbuds certainly do look like they will stay in your ear very well. Easy Lucario, for your benefit, this is what I said in Portuguese. Davik Wong asks, "Hi Aaron, what do you think about the Sony WH-1000XM3 and Bose 700? Which one should I get? Thank you." Well, if you're looking for something with great voice call quality, the WH-1000XM3 is not what I would recommend. Go for the 700 headphones, but if you're looking for great noise cancellation, well, both of them have great noise cancelling performance, but I do feel personally that the Sonys have better noise cancelling performance. And in my humble opinion, the Sonys also have slightly better, more higher fidelity sound than the Bose 700 headphones. In terms of comfort, when I tried the Bose headphones 700s in the store, I sort of felt that the Bose was a little tighter on my head compared to the Sonys. So I guess in terms of comfort, go for the Sonys. If you're looking to wear something on a long haul flight, I guess the Bose, you will need to wear them for a little bit longer to get them seasoned, so that the clamping pressure won't be as tight as when it came out of the box. This question is from Glenn Gauchi Greg, commenting on my video about the best aptX wireless earbuds under $100. If you want to watch this video, you can watch it over here. Out of all your earbuds, which have the least latency for gaming? Consider Jaybird Vista. Well, I don't know about the Jaybird Vista because the Jaybird Vista, if I'm not mistaken, does not have aptX. It's okay if you're using an iOS device, but if you're using an Android device, I doubt that you'll get great audio to video latency performance. But out of all the earbuds I've tried, I gotta say that the Sennheiser Momentum Truly Wireless earbuds and the Master and Dynamic NW07, both of these earbuds did quite well in the latency tests that I did. On iOS, they did quite well. On Android, they do have some lag, but not a lot because both of them have aptX codec support. So there you have it, both the Sennheiser Momentum Truly Wireless earbuds and the Master and Dynamic MW07. This comment is from Tristan XJN. He's commenting on my JBL3 X versus JBL3 video. In this video, I did a short vlog, I guess you can call it that, of this place called Clarke Quay in Singapore, which is why he's saying this. Funny thing is, this is the first video I watched while looking for a JBL3X review video, and I'm buying a JBL3X to go to Singapore with me. Well, coincidences do happen. This is a pretty small world, and welcome to Singapore, I guess. The next question is from Buster Colin, commenting on my video in which I compared the Sony WF-1000XM3 earbuds with the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless. Which were louder? Both of these earbuds, to be very honest, were just about equally as loud. I couldn't really, at 50%, 70% volume, they were just about as loud as each other. So yeah, I guess that's your answer. Next comment is from Life on Mars. Love your videos. Well, thank you. Thank you very much. And I love your planet. Yeah. And that's all the questions and comments I have for today. Thank you guys for watching another episode of Bro Talk. And if you like this video, please punch the like button with a vengeance, share this video with your friends, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and remember to ring the bell to join my notification squad because I upload new videos every single week. And this is the only way YouTube will notify you. So please remember to do all that, and I'll see you again in the next one. Do svidania. I think I said it right, did I?